Good morning. I am Shahi Asfah. I am studying in LKG. My school name is S.Thangapazham Metric Higher Secondary School. The ant and the bird. One day, the ant was thirsty. He went to a river to drink water. The ant went too close. He fell into the water. A bird was sitting on the tree. He was watching the ant. The ant cried for help. Help me, help me. The bear picked a leaf from the tree. He stopped the leaf near the ant. The ant quickly climbed on a leaf. It did not harm. The bear saved the ant. One day, the ant saw a hunter. A bear was sitting on the tree. Oh, man wants to kiss the bear. No, no. The ant fight the man on its foot. The man shouted. The bear flew away. The ant saved the bear. Thank you, my friend. The marvel of the story, we must help each other. Thank you.